Good morning. Today is a very different day. I've got a standard clean, so we've got a patio, and let me get you in the sun. Got a patio clean and a driveway to do, but we've got two special people coming to do a video, like a promotional video, who reached out to me, so that is exciting. So I'm going to bring you along this morning. I'm just going to get the trailer, which is here. I'm just going to get that set up on my truck, and then we'll head off to the job. Perfect weather today, not too warm, blue skies, which is always great here in Perth. Looking forward to this job. Should take me maybe 2 to 3 hours. The customer seems really nice. I'm just going to message them now to let them know I'm on my way, and to potentially move any obstructions, maybe plant pots, but I can help if needed. So let's go. So we're at the job now. This is quite a nice neighbourhood. I'll just quickly show you. Here's my truck. So this is the driveway here, and then it goes round there, around the front, and then obviously the pool area and patio on the back, which I won't show you, but we'll do that later. The filming crew haven't arrived yet. They'll probably get here for 9:30, so the first thing I'm going to do is get the tank filled up with water with the hose, plug it in, and then we'll get started. Okay, as you can see, there's quite a lot of organic growth build up, especially around here. There. So that should come up nicely. Alright, so we finally finished the job. I had to come back the next morning because there was a bit of a drainage issue. Need to start learning a bit more about drainage. So we cleaned driveway down the side here. Then just take you around. This part here is still drying. I'll just show you. Down here. It's still wet. And then all the way around there. So that's the job. Thanks to Tim and his team for coming out and filming. Hopefully you'll be able to see that video on our Instagram and Facebook soon. Thank you.